Welcome to the Top Tech Picks YouTube channel. Are you ready to transform your home cleaning routine in 2025? The search for the best robot vacuum and mop combo ends here. In this video, we're diving into the top picks for smart cleaning devices that vacuum and mop your floors effortlessly, giving you more time to do what you love. Whether you're tackling pet hair, sticky spills, or everyday dust, these cutting-edge robots deliver unmatched efficiency and convenience. We'll explore features like intelligent mapping, powerful suction, and dual cleaning modes that adapt to any surface. Say goodbye to manual cleaning and hello to a spotless home at the touch of a button. Stick around to find the perfect combo for your needs and take your cleaning game to the next level. Number 5. DreamX 40 Ultra, the ultimate cleaning solution for 2025. The DreamX 40 Ultra Robotic Vacuum is a top-tier cleaning device that seamlessly combines powerful vacuuming and mopping capabilities, making it a standout in the search for the best robot vacuum and mop combo 2025. With an impressive 12,000 Pascal suction power, it excels in picking up dust, dirt, and pet hair from various surfaces, including carpets and hard floors. One of its innovative features is the removable and liftable mop, which adapts to different cleaning scenarios. The mop is self-cleaning with a 158-degree Fahrenheit heat washboard feature, ensuring hygienic mopping without manual intervention. Coupled with the side brush extensive cleaning, it guarantees thorough coverage, even along edges and corners. The auto-empty and auto-refill system significantly reduces maintenance, while the liftable brushes enhance its versatility, allowing smooth transitions between surfaces. Intelligent mapping and navigation ensure efficient and precise cleaning paths, making it a reliable choice for larger homes. For households seeking a hands-free, efficient cleaning solution, the DreamX 40 Ultra is packed with features that simplify daily chores. Its combination of advanced technology, powerful suction, and innovative mopping functionality ensures it meets the needs of modern households. This robot vacuum is truly a game-changer, making it a must-have for anyone looking for exceptional performance and convenience in a cleaning device. Number 4. Yui Omni S1 Pro, redefining cleaning convenience in 2025. The Eufy Robot Vacuum. Omni S1 Pro is a standout choice for those seeking the best robot vacuum and mop combo 2025, offering a seamless all-in-one cleaning experience. With a powerful 8,000 Pascal suction, this robot excels in removing dirt, debris, and pet hair from both hard floors and carpets, ensuring a spotless home. One of its key features is its all-in-one station, which includes auto mop washing and drying, eliminating manual maintenance and keeping your floors hygienically clean. The integrated EcoClean ozone system further enhances sanitation, making it an ideal choice for families. Its advanced mopping technology pairs perfectly with precision vacuuming, delivering efficient dual-function cleaning. The robot's obstacle avoidance technology ensures smooth navigation around furniture and tight spaces, avoiding bumps and interruptions. Its self-emptying dustbin reduces maintenance hassle, allowing you to focus on other tasks while it works tirelessly. Additionally, the robot's ability to map and remember multiple floor plans makes it suitable for larger homes with various layouts. For those prioritizing innovation, efficiency, and hygiene, the Yui Omni S1 Pro offers an exceptional combination of performance and convenience. Its robust features make it a must-have device for modern households, solidifying its position as a top contender in the smart cleaning market for 2025. Number 3. Roborock Qrevo Curv, a cutting-edge cleaning powerhouse for 2025. The Roborock Qrevo Curv robot vacuum and mop sets new standards in home cleaning, making it a top choice for the best robot vacuum and mop combo 2025. Featuring a staggering 18,500 Pascal suction, this device delivers exceptional cleaning power, effortlessly tackling dirt, dust, and pet hair across a variety of surfaces. One of its standout features is the Duo Divide main brush and FlexiArm Arc side brush, which ensure a thorough and tangle-free cleaning experience. Paired with the innovative FlexiArm mop, the robot delivers a dual cleaning action that leaves your floors spotless. Its AdaptiLift chassis allows seamless transitions between carpets and hard floors, ensuring optimal performance throughout the home. The Auto Mop washing and drying system takes hygiene to the next level, while the self-emptying dustbin minimizes user intervention. Its advanced mapping and navigation capabilities make cleaning precise and efficient, avoiding obstacles and optimizing coverage. Designed for modern households, this robot combines power and intelligence with a sleek design. The zero-tangling technology eliminates the hassle of tangled brushes, making it ideal for pet owners or homes with heavy foot traffic. With its robust features and cutting-edge innovation, the Roborock Qrevo Curv is a must-have for anyone looking to simplify cleaning while achieving outstanding results. Number 2. YUI X10 Pro Omni Smart, Powerful, and Convenient Cleaning for 2025. The YUI X10 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop stands as a top contender for the best robot vacuum and mop combo 2025, delivering an impressive blend of advanced features and cutting-edge technology. Its powerful 8,000 pascal suction ensures deep cleaning across carpets, tiles, and hardwood floors, effortlessly tackling dirt, dust, and pet hair. Equipped with dual mops featuring 12mm auto-lift technology and carpet detection, this robot seamlessly transitions between hard floors and carpets, ensuring optimal cleaning without compromising carpet safety. The AI obstacle avoidance system intelligently navigates around furniture, cords, and other objects, preventing disruptions and ensuring thorough coverage. Hygiene is a priority with the YUI X10 Pro Omni. Its auto-mop washing and drying system, paired with self-emptying and self-refilling capabilities, minimizes manual maintenance while keeping your home clean and fresh. These features make it an excellent choice for busy households seeking a hands-free cleaning solution. Designed with convenience in mind, the robot's precise mapping and efficient navigation ensure maximum coverage with minimal energy consumption. Its advanced cleaning technology, combined with user-friendly controls, positions the YUI X10 Pro Omni as a game-changer in smart home cleaning. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient cleaning companion for 2025, this device offers everything you need for spotless floors and a hassle-free experience. Number 1. Bissell SpinWave 3115. Precision cleaning with wet and dry expertise for 2025. The Bissell SpinWave Hard Floor Expert Wet and Dry Robot Vacuum 3115 is a versatile cleaning solution that earns its place among the best robot vacuum and mop combo 2025 options. Designed to tackle a variety of cleaning needs, this robot combines powerful suction with efficient mopping capabilities to leave your floor spotless. Equipped with a dual-function system, the SpinWave excels at both vacuuming and wet mopping. Its hard floor cleaning technology ensures deep cleaning of sealed hardwood, tile, and other hard surfaces. The precision mopping system utilizes rotating mop pads that scrub floors effectively while avoiding carpeted areas, thanks to its intelligent floor detection. For vacuuming tasks, the SpinWave offers powerful suction to capture dirt, dust, and pet hair with ease. Its smart navigation technology maps your home for efficient cleaning paths and ensures no spot is left untouched. With its ability to switch seamlessly between wet and dry modes, it's perfect for households with varied flooring needs. User convenience is enhanced with app connectivity, allowing you to control cleaning schedules and monitor progress remotely. Its slim design enables it to reach under furniture and clean hard-to-reach areas. Combining functionality, innovation, and reliability, the Bissell SpinWave 3115 is a smart investment for those looking for a robot vacuum and mop that delivers excellent results without hassle.